Hi guys, this is Chris and welcome to Conversion Chef. In this channel, we talk about Shopify applications to increase your conversion. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our YouTube updates. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications we review. Please also visit our review blog, conversionskitchen.com, and mailing list conversionchef.club. Let's jump into the video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Showcase-Shop Instagram application. This app enables you to create a shoppable gallery on your store by importing the photos from your Instagram posts. Now, we are on the dashboard of the Showcase-Shop Instagram application, and as you can see, this app is very straightforward. You can create your gallery just by clicking this button, and no need for you to find it or go through unnecessary sections. Now, on the upper left corner of the application, you can see here the All Galleries and the Getting Started button. The Getting Started button is simply just a guide for you to follow whenever you have questions about the application. Now let's create our first gallery. Just go to the All Galleries and click the Create New Gallery button. The first thing you need to do is to name your gallery. Let's say that this is our Instagram posts. And click Create. Afterwards, you will be directed to these Add or Edit Posts. So you have here your Instagram accounts. So you may add different Instagram accounts. So let's go to this Conversion Chef Instagram account. And you will be able to see the photos or Instagram posts that you have. So this is our Instagram post. We have 7 Instagram posts. Thus, on the showcase, we also have 7 Instagram posts. Now, to import this to your Instagram gallery, you need to click Visible. So, if you want all of these photos to be on your Instagram gallery, then you just have to click or select All. Now, for you to be able to create these galleries to be a shoppable gallery, then we have to tag an existing product on our store. So just click Product, and here you go. You need to click on the photo or here. Then you have to search for a product from your existing store. So for example, that this product or this image is the same with this product or existing product on our stores. This is a great feature because your customers would have an inspiration for a look that is achievable with the products existing on your store. Now, let's exit. So that is one product tag. Now, let's proceed and click Done. To customize how your gallery looks like, you can go to the gallery settings. So you may customize the title and description, the layout, if you want that to be in grid or on a slider. So let's say that's a slider. And just play around these customizers on the layout and save. Since we have tagged an image or a product on our Instagram post, then we need to customize the language. On the language, you can see here on what are the call to actions that you will create on your shoppable gallery. So the call to action is shop the look. So let's just leave it like that. and just play around these informations on the customizer. So you will be able to customize it according to the purpose or according to your preferences. Now let's save that. Now after customizing how your Instagram gallery looks like, then we have to install the gallery so that it would appear on your store. So click on install your gallery. So you have here two options on installing your gallery to the page. You may select a page by clicking on this selector. So if you want to install that on your home page. However, if you want to install it on the different sections of your store, then you may add it just by clicking on the advanced installation, and it will provide you a script or code for you to be able to install it or add it on your preferred section of your store. So just copy that and go to your store. So on your store, just add section, add a custom content, select that, and add content, custom HTML, and paste the HTML or codes that is provided. So let's say that the container width is 100% and just save. Now this is how your gallery looks like on your store. So if you want to customize how it looks, just always go to your gallery and just click on the gallery settings and just customize it. So let's say the layout is a slider. Just save that and go to this. Now it's already on a slider. So this is how simply this. Remember that we have tagged a product on our Instagram gallery. So let's see how that looks. So this is the product or the Instagram post that we have tagged. So let's see. So this is how it looks like. This is the photo from our Instagram, and this is the tag product on our store. So this is how easy your customers will add a product to their cart, just simply clicking on the Instagram post, and if there is a tag product, then they will be able to access it easily. So they can add that and they can add it to their cart. So that's just how simple it is. And on the all galleries, you may see or you may find here the existing galleries that you have made. Just refer to this section, and if you have other questions, you may contact their customer support. Now, what I can say about this app is that first, it's user-friendly. It is very easy to create a gallery, as well as it has a great user interface. And the main thing is that it could increase your conversion rate by creating a shoppable gallery. It also has a great step-by-step written guides when you have questions about the application. You may install the application Showcase-Shop Instagram on your Shopify store just by clicking on the link on the description below. And I guess that's everything about this application, and I hope that you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!